So you're thinking about selling your house and not sure if you should be doing upgrades. Here's my answer to that. Number one, you want to make sure that all the maintenance items in your houses are taken care of. Especially if you're trying to price your house compared to other houses that sold at a really high price that were fully renovated and have no issues at all. Handle your maintenance items. If you have broken water heater or leaking plumbing, AC that's not working, that is a maintenance item. Just because you fix those doesn't mean that you need to increase your price. When a buyer looks at the house and then he see issues with regular maintenance items, they're not going to give you the same price as to a house where it has no issues and it's fully renovated. You cannot tack on the price because you just replaced something that was broken. The buyers expect to buy a house without any issues. Upgrades are a little bit different than maintenance. You have an outdated kitchen from the 90s or early 2000s. You're trying to upgrade it to make it look nice. That's an upgrade. You're trying to do a newer kitchen, newer bathrooms, maybe redo the floors. Now, those upgrades will get you more money than if you were just to leave them there. Before you do anything at all, you should definitely consult with a real estate agent because they have their pulse on the market and they will let you know based on the amount of money that you will spend on these renovations if it's either going to be giving you that return back or is it just going to be a complete waste of money. The other option is that you do nothing at all to the house, but you have to price it correctly so it can sell. There are buyers that will buy it the way it is. It's just that it's not going to be as much as if you were to spend money and fix the house yourself. Know the differences and talk to a real estate agent.